We do have a question from the chat. How can businesses and nonprofits help close the digital divide? And what are some examples of successful interventions? It's a good question.
Who is it? Smart audience.
No name. A no-namer.
Okay. I think it's the same thing. Keep talking about it.
Yeah.
There is, keep talking, spreading the word that this is a real problem. And it's going to be, if it isn't already, it's at the same level as housing and heating and water, right? It's a utility. It's the fifth utility. This is why you're seeing a lot of utility companies jumping in the fray. As nonprofits, depending on how deep your pockets are, you might be able to solve this problem by having like a digital initiative where you're helping people get laptops and tablets if they don't have any, or you help them get high-speed internet at a discounted rate. I don't know, but this problem it can be solved only if we have a major strategic initiative towards spreading broadband internet across the region. So as nonprofits, keep talking about it. Find ways to engage with your leaderships at the county level, at the city level, at the state level,